Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison for those of you who are new, and for today's video we are doing a series called Secondhand Sunday, and basically what that is, literally anything related to thrifting. So I'm going to show you how I style things that I thrift, show y'all thrift tips, show y'all how to find hidden gems in the thrift store, and just basically anything related to thrifting you will find in this series. And I won't be posting these every single Sunday, but perhaps every other Sunday, so if you like this series, please give it a like and maybe subscribe if you'd like. I tend to thrift pieces that are very versatile that I can wear with other things in my closet. So if you enjoy that sort of style, then I would definitely suggest watching. But other than that, I hope you'll enjoy this video and thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and get started on the first episode of Secondhand Sunday. Okay, I'm going to start off first with accessories. So first off, I have a pair of shoes that I thrifted. Okay, so to start off Secondhand Sunday, I'm going to show y'all accessories first, then we'll do tops, bottoms, and then dresses, and then so on and so forth. But to start off for shoes, I just thrifted these pair of kitten heels a couple days ago, and I'm super excited to wear these because I'm going to Mexico. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the beginning of this video, but it's more on the warmer side, so this entire haul isn't really going to be a winter haul. It's more of like a summer fall wardrobe. These are the heels, and I'm so obsessed with them because they are so cute and they're in my size, and it really took me a long time to find a good pair of kitten heels that don't hurt and that actually are my size and that aren't like torn on the insides, because I feel like a lot of shoes that I would find would like disintegrate on the inside, and I just didn't want to pay $13 for a shoe that's already disintegrating. So these are the brand Banana Republic, and they're super cute, and I'm going to show y'all how I style these as well, but they're just a good basic kitten heel. Another thing that I found for accessories is this satchel bag, and I actually got it from my boyfriend because I've been seeing on Pinterest a lot that guys have really cute satchel bags. So I got him this one, and it's from 9 West, and I got this from the thrift store St. Vincent de Paul's, and it was only $8.50. Hopefully, okay, yeah, there you go. I'm really excited to give this to him, so I will definitely show y'all how he styled this as well. And now for tops, I'm going to show y'all tank tops first, and then long sleeves, and then jackets. Okay, so one of my favorite things to thrift are lacy tops, and so what I do is I go in the loungewear section of the women's when I go thrifting. So I have this one piece that's really cute. Let me stand up to show you. But it's really pretty, and it just has this lace detailing in the front that's like sheer. Just sheer at the bottom part of this silk top. And the brand is called Enchanting, and it's super adorable. And then I like thrift a lot of these just because I can literally wear them with just a pair of jeans or like a skirt. You can wear these casually, or you can wear these for a night out with like friends and stuff. And then I thrifted this one, and it's just another silk loungewear top, and it just has that lace detailing in the front, except it's not as long as the other one, and it also has lace detailing at the bottom. Like, another thing about me is I'm not gonna thrift. I used to do this thing where I would thrift things that I thought that I would wear, and I never ended up wearing them, but now I thrift the things that I'm actually gonna wear. So for the third tank top that I've thrifted is this it's more of a cream color, and it's from the brand Affair, and it's really cute as well. It's a little bit see-through, but it's really cute. Now for like long sleeves, I thrifted this. Well, actually I didn't thrift this, that's a lie. For this was a hand-me-down, and a lady was giving away clothes, so she offered to give me some things, and this is one of the items she gave me. And it's just a little tux top, and I'm really excited to wear this. And it's from the brand Claiborne, and I feel like this will be so easy to dress up and dress down. Like, even with this outfit that I'm wearing, it's just a black crop top and a black biker shorts with like a pair of cute sneakers or boots. It's just very versatile, and that's what I really enjoy about pieces like this. This shirt, I was looking for a shirt that was white and had super flowy sleeves, and I was inspired off of this picture that I'm about to show y'all, but I think her name is Kimberly, Kimberly or Cindy, really, I forgot her name, but this is actually from the brand Altered State, but I just really enjoyed the sleeves on it. and it's just super flowy, and I actually have an idea for this. It's mainly just for a picture, but I think just to wear it like when you wake up in the morning and get like coffee, like I think this would be so cute to wear in the mornings and then just get ready. I feel like this is so romantic, and that's what I love about it. Okay, and now we're gonna go on to bottoms. So now for bottoms, I'm gonna start off with the skirt, and the skirt is from the brand Jacqueline Smith Collection. And I've been seeing jean maxi skirts all over Pinterest and TikTok recently, and I wanted to find a pair that fit me perfectly and also had like that slit in the middle, and I found it. This is what it looks like. It's so perfect, and then the bottom has that slit that I was talking about, and I'm so excited to style this because it's just so perfect, and it was made for me, and I'm so excited to wear this. And I know that maxi jean skirts aren't everyone's cup of tea, but I'm really excited to wear these. Another piece is just like another basic piece that I wear a lot, that I've been wearing a lot lately, is just this black maxi skirt, and it's just very long. I'm not sure what material it is, but it's like kind of like spandex. It's kind of like a spandex material, and it just has a slit on the side. And now another thing that I've been really into lately, I'm a little bit more on the plus size, so I'm a size 12 or 14, and it can be hard to find skirts and bottoms and stuff like that, so I've been kind of struggling with finding bottoms for myself when I go thrifting. But I know that the low-rise mini skirts have been really trendy lately, and I found a pair actually that fit me perfectly, and I love the length of it as well because I don't feel like when I bend over it's like I'm revealing a lot. But it's this mini skirt, and it's so cute. Like it even has like a little bit of a rip right here, and it's really cute. And it's from the brand Old Navy, and it's a vintage Old Navy, I guess, because I don't think I've seen these recently. But and I just love the like belt part too. It's just very thick, and I don't know, I just love it. It's just very Y2K, and I'm obsessed. I wasn't really into the whole Y2K era. I just didn't really like it because I just felt like it was hard to style a lot of things a lot of the time. But this one thing that I've been really into that I feel is more like on the Y2K side is cargo pants. I also have been looking at Matilda's Instagram, and she styled this one pair of cargo pants that were really cute, and I needed to thrift something like that, and so I found something kind of similar, and it's this pair of pants. They're like capri cargo pants, and I really like these. They're really cute, and this is the butt part of them, and they're from the brand Gloria Vanderbilt, and it's really cute. And one thing I would suggest doing is going in the nurse section, like the nursing gowns and stuff like that, and that's where I found these. So that's another tip if you're looking for parachute pants or cargo pants. Definitely check out the uniform section. And now for jeans, I'm going to show you all these pair that I thrifted, and I'm obsessed with them because, like I said earlier, it's kind of hard for me to find bottoms when I go thrifting. I've been trying to stop thrifting tops because I have a really bad habit of just buying tops and not buying enough bottoms, and I don't have enough bottoms, so I am still on the lookout for more bottom pieces. So I have these pair, and they're just black, and I like the detailing that they have this lining in the middle, and that kind of just bells at the bottom, like it's a wide leg almost. So I like the back especially of the pants. Just really cute, and I'm obsessed with them, and they're the color black, so it literally matches with everything, and I'm obsessed. And they're from the brand Coldwater Creek. So if anyone's wondering what that brand is, you can search it up on, what is the website called? ThredUp. If you go on ThredUp and just search up any brand that I've been saying throughout this video, I'm sure you'll find like similar items to the things that I've been showing. So that's just another tip that I can give to y'all. Okay, another top that I forgot to show y'all is I've been on the hunt for a shirt like this, and it took me like not even like 2 days to find this, but it's just so easy to style this, and I literally wear it with a bunch of stuff. So find a pair of jean a jean top like this, buy it, because you can wear it with so much. You can wear it with a bikini, you can make it into a jean on jean outfit, and it will look so cute with like a slick back bun. Like, oh, it's so cute. And the brand for this one is called Sunbelt Sportswear. And now for dresses, which I'm so excited to show you. This one dress that I am literally obsessed with, and my camera will actually focus. I'm obsessed with this dress. Like, I will get married in this dress if I could, but this dress is just so like romantic, and that's what I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with like long dresses that just give off that like romantic, like novel feel. And I found this dress, and it's just a sheer dress, but I'm gonna like wear something underneath because I'm not gonna wear like a bra and underwear or whatever. This is a dress. You can't really see because the lighting's kind of harsh right now, but it's a V-cut, and it just has a little bit of a sleeve on the side that's lace as well, and it's just very long, and then it has this slit on the side. It's just so perfect, and I'm truly, this is a hidden gem. This dress was one of my favorite finds of the year. Now for the last item of this thrift haul is this beautiful red and black dress, which again, I'm obsessed with the romantic novel aesthetic, and I feel like this embodies that perfectly. So this is the dress. It's just has red roses. It kind of reminds me of that dress that Kendall Jenner wore, I think that she wore for Kourtney's wedding. That just kind of reminds me, it has like a similar feel to it, and it's just a very long dress. And I was thinking about making it a sleeveless dress, so I'm just gonna chop it off at the top and make it a sleeveless dress, but we'll see. I'm still deciding whether I want to cut it or not, but that is it for the haul. I hope you all enjoyed this first episode of Secondhand Sundays, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next Secondhand Sunday.